Perhutani Pine Chemical Industry. Perhutani Pine Chemical Industry, which formerly known as Pabrik Derivat Gondorukam dan Terpentin or PDGT, is gum rosin and turpentine derivatives factory owned by Perum Perhutani. Under the auspices of the Ministry of State-Owned Enterprises of Republic of Indonesia, the new factory of Perum Perhutani may be regarded as the one and only integrated derivatives factory and the largest in Southeast Asia. There are many of non-wood potential in Perum Perhutani that have not been optimized yet, and one of them is the sap of pine. In the global market, we can see the demand of derivative product of pine resin tends to increase. In 2014, Perum Perhutani has 167,805.8 hectares of productive pine forest, which are located in West Java, Central Java, and East Java, and possible to employ approximately 75,000 of tappers.
Tahun 2013, produksi getah pinus Perhutani kurang lebih mencapai 80.000 ton per tahun. Sedangkan potensi produksi getah dalam 5 tahun ke depan diproyeksikan akan terus meningkat tajam.
By seeing the importance of pine sap and its derivative products for the survival of the company, and also to improving the quality of forest resources, Perum Perhutani gives priority to expand the pine plantation and intensification the quality of the stands. And the programs are expanding the pine plantation in a suitable location for the production of pine sap, dismantling of unproductive pine plantation, replanting pine trees with selected and superior seedlings, keep doing research to find the superior seeds of pine resin production.
Kecenderungan bisnis hasil hutan non-kayu di dunia saat ini semaksimal mungkin mengolah Gondorukam dan Terpentin menjadi produk turunannya di dalam negeri dan tidak mengekspor dalam kondisi bahan mentah. Hal ini secara bisnis akan menguntungkan karena produk derivatif Gondorukam dan Terpentin memiliki nilai tambah yang lebih tinggi.
Based on such conditions, Perum Perhutani begin to change its business prospects to the downstream direction by building of the Perhutani Pine Chemical Industry or PPCI to get more high value.
Pabrik pengolahan Gondorukam dan Terpentin yang baru ini ada di Pemalang dengan luas kurang lebih 6,3 hektar. Lokasi ini dipilih karena strategis dan dekat dengan sumber bahan baku serta pelabuhan.
Through PPCI, it's expected that the potentiality of Perum Perhutani will increase in financing forest management and the welfare of employee. The value added for derivatives of gum rosin of glycerol rosin ester is 25% from the value of the raw material gum rosin. while 4 derivatives of turpentine has an added value 50% from the raw material turpentine.
Untuk bisnis derivatif ini, nilai investasi yang dikeluarkan perusahaan ini kurang lebih 208,7 miliar. Diharapkan bisnis ini akan menghasilkan nilai tambah 130 sampai dengan 150%.
PDGT or PPCI have 4 factories to produce various products, and they are: Factory 1, to process the sap of pine and turpentine into gum rosin with the distillation process, which has the added value approximately 30% of the value of raw materials from the sap of pine. Factory 2, to fractionate the turpentine into alpha-pinene, which has the added value approximately 10 until 15% from the value of turpentine as the raw material. Factory 3, to process gum rosin into glycerol rosin ester, wherein the ester product is more stable than gum rosin, so that its use becomes more widespread. The application include for adhesives, paints, ink, paper, foods, and has added value approximately 20 until 25% of the raw materials gum rosin. Factory 4, create new products based on the fractionation of turpentine in the form of alpha-pinene into alpha-terpineol. Alpha-terpineol can be used for floating agent, antiseptic industry. It has added value approximately 20 until 25% of the raw materials turpentine.
Kapasitas pabrik derivatif Gondorukem dan terpentin ini kurang lebih 25.000 ton getah pinus per tahun. Pabrik akan menghasilkan glycerol rosin ester, alpha-pinene, beta-pinene, limonen, sineol, dan alpha-terpineol yang merupakan bahan baku industri makanan, minuman, adhesif, kertas, cat, tinta, parfum, dan farmasi.
PPCI is using environmentally friendly waste technology.
Pabrik derivatif Gondorukem dan terpentin ini akan menyerap tenaga kerja kurang lebih 1.650 orang. Baik tenaga kerja langsung sebanyak kurang lebih 150 orang dan tenaga kerja yang tidak langsung kurang lebih 1.500 orang yang berasal dari sekitar hutan pinus.
PPCI also opens jobs for local residents by hiring 84.3% out of total 134 employees in Pemalang, including security, helpers, and gardeners.
Perhutani yakin bahwa bisnis derivat akan memberikan nilai tambah bagi perusahaan, sehingga perusahaan mampu mewujudkan transformasi bisnis yang berkelanjutan.
Thank you.